This morning I'm going to show you a beautiful collection from Merlette. The designer Merlette, M-E-R-L-E-T-T-E, just lovely, and all these coordinate so beautifully together. I love buying these collections when all the pieces are there and it's just really so pretty. This is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. It's almost got like a linear, it's a solid, but it's got like these linear lines through it. It's just so pretty. It's so unique, so different. And again, 100% cotton, stretch in both directions. This is a rayon tencel, and you'd think it'd be 100% cotton. It's so soft. You know how soft that tencel is. I haven't really seen a lot of tencel, but this is just beautiful. It's almost like it's two layers. It's not. It's one layer, but just the way it's done is just really, it's really pretty, and it just blends beautifully with these other colors. So this is a rayon tencel. It's a woven. And then this is a white, beautiful white. It's a cotton poly. It's a stretch woven. So it has stretch in one direction. It has nice stretch. I mean, it's good stretch, easy for a pair of yoga pants or a pair of capris. Would be really, you know, a white pair of slacks. This would be the pair of slacks for you. Then if you notice how pretty it blends with this, this has got blues and greens and then pulls in your tan, so it's really a fabric that works so many different ways. This is 100% cotton, beautiful piece, and of course it goes with this. Is also 100% cotton. This is definitely a denim. We would call it a denim, except that denim by definition has to have two different color threads. These are both the same color, which makes this really stunning. It's really a light beige. You can see it goes beautiful with that. The blues as well go beautiful with beige. I love beige and blue together. And then the stripe really comes in because it blends so beautifully with this. So that would make pretty. It also has the white in it. And again, it goes with the blue. So you can see this collection is just really something. This stripe is 100% cotton. It's like a shirting, very lightweight. Just, oh, they're so pretty. And then for 2 days, these are all $12.99. For today, Monday, and then tomorrow, Tuesday, they're all $12.99. So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.